So what's this little contraption right here? It's more than just a clear sewer elbow and a gate valve. Stick around, I'll tell you all about it. Things kind of just ooze out a little bit. Well, if this gate valve would be closed. So when you go to... This is the Rhino Blaster Pro from Camco. Now, what makes this a little bit different is it's not just a clear elbow to see what's coming out of your sewer, and this just isn't a gate valve to stop any liquids that may have been sloshed around in your pipes while you've been traveling before you hook up your sewer hose. This actually goes past that and beyond that, and we're going to explain kind of how this works. What's great about this is if your RV doesn't have a back flush for your black tank to flush it out and clean it, this is going to handle that problem for you. This is also a great item that we use to actually kind of get things flowing sometimes. Now we have a black flush that we can hook up. The water goes to the tank, flushes it from the inside out, and usually cleans it out. But what happens with us sometimes is when we go to open our black tank, sometimes things don't exactly always flush out right away. Even when the tank is almost completely full, it can get a little bit of a slow jump start and things kind of just ooze out a little bit in the beginning. So I'm going to show you how this can help you solve that problem. Okay, I don't know how good you can see me. We got Megan crouched down underneath our slide out here, but I want to talk about this little Camco Rhino Blaster right here. Now what you have with this valve already is the gate valve. And this is great. Definitely want to have this. This is an item you definitely need to have, because after you've been traveling, driving around, before you take your sewer cap off, this gate valve would be closed. So when you go to take your cap off, if there's been anything sloshing around or one of your tanks didn't exactly close all the way, if you were to take this cap off, you're going to get a mess. So by having this gate valve closed, you can safely take this cap off. Nothing's going to flow on you. Then you connect your sewer hose, open this up, and you're safe. You're good to go. Now, so what does this do then? Well, this is kind of more effective for flushing out the black tank or helping with clogged up pipes right here. So we're going to hook this on real quick and I'm going to show you. Simply just hook it on, same as all sewer connections.
Okay, what we got right here is the check valve that comes with this, and you're just going to screw this onto your hose, and this is going to prevent any water from getting back into the hose in case you're using your drinking water hose for some reason. You really shouldn't be, but either way it's perfectly safe. Nothing's going to get back into the hose. You turn this valve right here, the water's going to start spraying up into the elbow, up into your pipes, up into your tank, and just clean everything out and flush it all out. Okay, as you can see, we turn the water on. It's starting to blast through here. It's blasting up into the pipes, and you can just take this knob, close it as you need, open it right back up. And right now, nothing is filling up in this elbow because we have this gate valve open. So let's go ahead and close that. Now you can see the water starting to build up and starting to collect in here, and it's eventually going to go up into the pipe and up into your black tank and flush everything out. Okay, so we got that running. Let's go ahead and open this up just to kind of show you. You can see it all flows back down. Now what we're going to do now is go ahead and open our black tank and just get things cleaned out. And there we go. Kind of nasty. Yep, I know. And after we did that, we're going to start flushing it. We got our black tank open. We're flushing it out. We have this right now closed, and you can see all this clear water is built up in here. That means the tank is really full. It's been cleaning out. The water's still running. You can't tell. Now let's go ahead and open this up, and whoosh, there it all goes. It's all getting cleaned out. By the way, if you guys like the video, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. We have tons of videos on RV maintenance, organizing, storage, tips, DIYs, how-tos, and great stuff like that. So I think you'll really enjoy the channel. Now, as you can see, we got all the water still flowing out of here. Everything's been cleaned out. We can do this a few times if we need to. It's just a great way to clean out the tank. Or, like I said, if you already have a black flush, this is a great item to get things unclogged. If things aren't working too well, you can really blast it from this end of the tank versus, trying to do it from the other side of the tank, from your toilet side. And we've been really happy with this product, and it's just worked out real well for us.
Another little tip from Lightweight, guys. A great little product. Another level of defense we use when fighting the black tank and the RV full-time life. But hey, the more elbows you have, the more gate valves you have, the more flushing techniques to keep these tanks running clean and keeping everything happy. It's going to keep your life happier. The better you are prepared, the better off you'll be. As always, thanks for checking out the video. Why wait? See you next time.